Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark or your own logo to iMovie. It's the same thing on an iPhone and on an iPad. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you want to do is open up any project, click on edit, and what you want to do is click on the plus sign, and you gotta make sure you do exactly what I say, because if you mess up one step, it won't work. So click on moment, click on the photo, but don't click plus. If you click plus, it won't work. Click on three dots, picture in picture, and that way you have the picture above. So all you gotta do now is just move it to the left by just clicking, selecting it so it's yellow down below, clicking on this button right here, moving it wherever you like, and that's all you gotta do pretty much. So just gotta get it here onto the right to have it as a logo, maybe make it a little bit smaller, and so on. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.